Good morning, students. I hope that you have understood previous topics very well. Students, today I am going to start a new topic, or you can say I will be continue the previous topic, that is types of natural types of ecosystem, types of ecosystem ecosystem. Students, there are two types of ecosystem. One is natural ecosystem, and now second is artificial ecosystem. Artificial ecosystem, and natural ecosystem is of two types. One is terrestrial ecosystem, and second is aquatic ecosystem. Okay, there are two types of natural ecosystem. One is natural ecosystem, second is artificial ecosystem, or you can say that man-made ecosystem. Man-made ecosystem. Okay, there is still natural ecosystem are of two types. One is terrestrial ecosystem, and second is aquatic ecosystem. And aquatic system also divided into the two types. One is saline water ecosystem, saline water ecosystem, and freshwater ecosystem. The ecosystem which operates naturally, that is called natural ecosystem, or you can say ecosystem present in nature called natural ecosystem. And natural ecosystem is of two types: terrestrial ecosystem. This type of ecosystem present on land called terrestrial ecosystem. Forest, mountain, grassland. Clear? These are the example of terrestrial ecosystem. The ecosystem which operates in water, that will be called aquatic ecosystem. Okay, and aquatic ecosystem is of two types. One is saline water ecosystem, the ecosystem found in sea and ocean called saline water ecosystem, or you can say sea and oceans are the example of saline ecosystem. Okay, saline water ecosystem, and the ecosystem found in freshwater bodies called freshwater ecosystem, river, ponds, lakes. These are the example of freshwater ecosystem. Man-made ecosystem are known as the artificial ecosystem, or you can say those ecosystems which are operated by human beings, which are maintained by ecosystem, which are maintained by human being, which are controlled by human being. That type of ecosystem is called artificial ecosystem. Students, artificial ecosystem, examples of artificial ecosystems are cultivated land, or you can see agricultural field, fish aquarium and potted plants. Aquarium and potted plants, fishery, these are the example of artificial ecosystem. Okay, students, so you try to write about each type of ecosystem in detail with examples. Okay, this is the important topic of this chapter. So you try to write about these ecosystems. Okay, students, now I am going to explain next topic, that is the components of ecosystem. Components of components of ecosystem. Components of ecosystem according to E.P. Odum. According to E.P. Odum, there are two components of ecosystem. There are two components of ecosystem. Components of an ecosystem, that's all abiotic, abiotic or non-living component, or non-living component. And second, biotic or living component. Living component. Okay, students, now we will discuss about the abiotic and biotic component of ecosystem. Okay, component of ecosystem. Abiotic, it includes sun, air, water, temperature, rain, inorganic material like sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, nitrogen, phosphorus, calcium, etc. Okay? Organic materials are organic matter. Organic matter like carbohydrate, protein, protein, lipids, lipids, etc. Okay? Students, now biotic component, biotic component, it includes producer, consumers, consumers and decomposers, and decomposers. Students, decomposers. Okay? Students, in next part of this video, we will discuss about the producers, consumers and decomposers in detail. Okay?